So like I was saying, and oh hey, oh my God.
Hi guys, welcome again. I'll be doing this unboxing with a voiceover talking about the monitor I'm gonna be unboxing. Is the Samsung C27R502FHU Curved Monitor, and this is going to be the unboxing. Why I do the unboxing, I tell you a little bit about the monitor. It is a 27 inches HD screen and features a 60 Hz refresh rate. It boasts, the Samsung has been saying on its website that this monitor is one of the most curved monitor. And if you're not into a curved monitor, you can look away because this is just going to be about this monitor. And maybe later on, I show you why I need it and why we'll be studying it on in another video. So this is a curved monitor, and now Samsung said this monitor is as slim as the ballpoint pen, which is rated at 11.99 millimeter. And if you go all over the website, it's just being pointed out there for you to see. This curved monitor are on the rise now. Curved monitors are right on trend at this moment, and with the number of manufacturers adding a curved monitor screen to their lines. The idea was that the corner of these screens are brought a little bit closer to your eye lines, allowing you to focus more easily. Thanks to the viewing angle, your natural line of vision in a way a flat screen would never do. At least that is the theory, and I'm guessing I have not, but yet it's not tested it yet. And I'm hoping one of anyone from my viewers that if you have tried these, I would love to hear from you and your thoughts in the comment down there below. The monitor is a gamer-friendly monitor, but not just because of its gorgeous curved screen wrapped around you, but also because it supports the AMD FreeSync technology that the shuttle-free smooth gaming play. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a high resolution or 144 refresh rate, but it's just 60. It also comes in a very smaller version, which is the 24 inches. If you're looking to spend less, you can get the same monitor as a smaller version. This is not the branding of this monitor. They didn't say it's a gaming monitor, but that doesn't mean you can use it as a gaming monitor, because it can keep up with the fast pace of action games we have out there. It has a couple of things that goes for it. For a start, it's a VA panel with a non too shabby 4mm response rate. You know what that means? You get clear image during eye action sequences, not just a nasty ghosting you see in some other cheap monitor. The VA panel different from the most common TN and IP screens that we see out here. They are good at the dark side, and they also give you accurate color. But Samsung, they keep on producing high quality displays, and they owe to their reputation. So out of the box, you get a better, good product. So this monitor is one of them. Professional object tester also returned good response with reviewing calls the neat and color reproduction and uniform background light. But on the downside, the viewing angle of this monitor is not that great, but it shouldn't be a problem if you have it viewing head on. Like I said before, it is including a AMD FreeSync. Now this is the technology that was designed for gamers in mind, so this is a good news. So FreeSync is something that emulates the tearing through, giving you a very smooth, stable image when you're gaming. You will need a compatible, or let's say compatible AMD graphics card to make use of these features. but the monitor will still work with an old VGA card if you plan to upgrade maybe somewhere in the future. So in my own opinion, I think this curve is a good thing for gamers, because looking through some of the feedbacks on the internet, maybe so a lot of people are going to be against me on that, but it's just my own opinion. And you can also use some of the other manufacturer like the Nava card or other card there that doesn't have the FreeSync. It's also good. They have their own G-Sync system, so you can, or maybe it won't be able to, but it's going to be work, because soon they are going to be compatible with FreeSync, the G-Sync and stuff like that. That does not necessarily mean you should discount it, or like say, okay, I have a G-Sync model, will cost more, and if your card out, it's a 60 refresh rate frame per second, then you wouldn't really need any adapter to sync this technology. So what do I think about the build of the monitor? The overall design is neat enough. We got a 3-side bezel-less Y-shaped stand and a typical black clean back finish. To round everything up, the back connectivity unfortunately is limited. It comes with just one HDMI, that is 1.4 slot, and VGA port available, just one. Not so good if you're wanting to hook up more than your PC to the screen. It's not so good. You can wall mount it, 75 by 75, and there's just one earphone slot, no USB port. Overall, it presents a stylish look that I will be proud to display. Samsung said it has a 1800R curved screen, which means a deep, more natural curve than other competitors. That means if you have 2 or 3 together, it goes like the normal curves. It comes with a simple yet sturdy stand. The stand is very stable. It's the Y-shaped stand, very stable. Given the curved nature of the screen, you would need to position it directly in front of you anyway. It wouldn't make sense when it's in front of you to pivot 90 degree or whatever, because it's better it's just in front of you. Bad news, there are no speakers included in this model, but there are headphone slots that are helpful for plugging in your own headphones or desktop or desk speakers. You're probably gonna be getting a better result if you connect that speaker or headphone directly to your computer motherboard, that is from behind. And for those of you with a Mac PC, basically MacBooks, iMac or Mac Mini, and you want another monitor, yeah, it's gonna work with it with a suitable Thunderbolt port adapter to HDMI. And as I also have a Mac lying around, I have a MacBook Pro, and I can confirm it works with Mac. So should you buy this monitor? It's beautiful, it's cheap. It goes for around 100 and something on Amazon now, even or it's on sale, and with a gorgeous curve. And good thing, the FreeSync support to help gamers get super good graphics. If you're a younger guy out there or you're a gamer, you need a second monitor, not something that goes on very high refresh rate. This can be your second monitor, because you can just use it. However, it has a maximum resolution of just 1080p and a refresh rate of 60. I'm still saying a refresh rate of 60. The VIA panel gives you great image quality, and yeah, it proves a good all-around balance for people that are working and playing. So if you're a streamer, you have already one good monitor for gaming, and you need the other monitor for checking your stream and other stuff like that. This could be an addition to your setup. So you are thinking, okay, I got enough information from you and you want to purchase it. You can still, if you are doubting, you can get some information from the real world owner who has revealed it, and some guys who they bought it. And if you are one of those guys that have it already, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And if you're planning to buy, don't forget to use our Amazon link to purchase, and we get some little commission to support our channel. I'll be very grateful for that. And I'm gonna give this monitor a 4 out of a 5 rating, because I hope there were some few things they can do about it, you know. But with these bezel-less free corners, it's gonna be a very nice thing to beat if you have two of them together. If you want to know more about these, I hope our existing owner of this monitor, if you have any question, leave it in the comment below. Some of them we have a very good experience, and if you have one you want to say something about, leave some comment below also. I'll be very glad to read your comment and reply, and I believe my viewers will be very happy to check more about this product from the comments and stuff you have put it down there. If you've not been a subscriber and you get up to this point of the video in time, I'll be very glad if you can subscribe. It will be well appreciated, and I hope to see you in my next video. Odabo.